Hello guys, good evening. It's me Prince. Yeah, so this is the Nasco, the Nasco F2110. This is the model that I bought on Jumia. I bought it on Thursday. It arrived on Saturday, and I went to their collection center at TTU, near TTU at New Site to collect it. It has arrived. I've gone for it for about a week now, but because I've been busy with class, I haven't been able to open it yet. So today, this evening, I'll try to open it and see how it is with you, for you all to see. So this on Jumia, it was 1,255. I think that way, and they added the shipping to it. It was 70, but because it was my first time, I got the donuts the shipping. They only added like 20 cedis, so it cost me around 1,270 cedis for this Nasco model. They are saying it is it have two doors. I have not yet opened it, so you all are going to open it to see. I've already buy my stuff. You can see I got my Coke, I got my Vena, I got my some pies and biscuits that I'm going to install them all in the fridge. So you'll be opening it in a second coming for you all to see. See, it's brand new. I've not done anything with it yet. This is the model number. Sorry for that. Those are my cooking utensils. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm on site. If you are not on Bylines, please go on Binance and trade. Okay, good morning over there. This is the fridge that I bought. Since the double door is a Nasco, this is the type. As you can see, it was made in China. Now these are the dimension in millimeters: 425 by 430 by 1,050 millimeters. This is the network, 16 kg. So I'm about to open it for you to see. I got my pies here. I got my Vena. I got my Coca-Cola. I got my light biscuits. I started eating some because I bought it, as I told you earlier. I bought it for about a week ago. Because of class, I haven't been able to get time to open it. So today, being Friday, and I don't have class tomorrow, so I'm all set to open it. So I'll get back to you later for us to open it. I got my knife here. We'll start soon. Hello guys. So we are starting. We are about to start and open this fridge here today. This beautiful fridge, Nasco. I hope you are with me. So you can see me as I'm about to cut here. Sorry for that because I don't have anybody here to hold the phone for me. That's the reason why. So hello guys, welcome. Now we are about to do it. We are about to cut it and open the fridge now. So now I'm going to cut. See, I'm cutting. Hear the sound? That's it. Okay. Let's put the knife somewhere. Bring it back small. Let's put it. Wow. So this is how it looks inside. Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Wow. Wow. Ha! Nasco. Wow, we fucking did it. This is so beautiful. Wow. A nice fridge. Oh, fucking shit. Sorry for that, guys. Wow. This exceeds my expectation. Ha! I'm overwhelmed. Like it enlightens the room. Wow. 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 This is so beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, guys. Guys. It's so nice. Oh. Wow. Guys. Guys, I'll get back to you. So, wow. Hello guys, so now I'm about to open the fridge and see what's inside. You can see me removing the sticker. I've not yet connected it yet. You can see it there. I'm waiting to see, for us to see what is inside. Top first or down first? Down first and top later. Okay, let's start from there. Should you start from the bottom or should you start from the top? Let's start from the top. Okay, let's start from the top and come down. Okay, here's the inside. Nice and clean. Nice. Let's see the inside. Is it? Nice. Now let's go to the bottom. Wow. 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 Yes, so guys, I'm not afraid. Let's see. It's glass, so beautiful. Have to be careful with it though. So careful with it. Careful. Consider regulator for the freezer. Things like 2 6. Yeah, it's on the 4. So just talk to me so much there. Wow. So nice. Let's see. So let's power it. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, so we are done. Let's start in. I got my Coke, Coca-Cola, Avena, and my biscuit, the light biscuit, and my pies. Coca-Cola here, light here. So I want some of them to freeze earlier, so that I'll get a few of it. That's how I'm putting it in the freezer. This and the refrigerator. So I'm about to now turn it on for you guys to see. So now they're all closing it. So turn it down. Okay. Let's check whether it's closed. Where it's closed. Close here too. So everything is set. We're about to power it. So I'm powering it. Turn it to my socket. So now that you have turned it on, I'm going to wait for it for about 2 hours and open it and see how it works. So after 2 hours, I'm going to open it for everyone to see. It's a nice, full, nice fridge, working perfectly. Hello guys, so it's been exactly 2 hours now. Thank you all for having time for watching it at this time. So I'm about to open it for to see how the fridge is doing, how things are frozen now. So I'm taking the key. I locked it earlier, so I'm opening it. Let's see. Okay. So let's check the freezer. Let's see how it is. Oh, nice. Nice, chilled. You can see that it's chilled. See, it's really chilled. See, so chilled. Wow. Water to my Vienna, guys. Vienna. The water is so nice. Wow. Let's go to the refrigerator. Ooh, wow, it works nice, everything works nice. Works nice. Oh wow, the things are freeze. Wow. So guys, thank you all for having me. This is when you end with one Nasco free. Next time, I hope that you come watch me when I get to buy a new thing or anytime that I put something there. Thank you guys. Bye.